Good evening, everyone. This is Lynn from Paper Peas. Today I am contributing to hashtag Tag Tuesday. What I've been doing is going through what I am now referring to as my hidden gems to see what I can come up with to create some of my tags and other items. This was a 12 by 12 that's just sitting in my stash again. And what I've done is I've cut it down to 3 inches wide. Now I had some like little tag bases that I just made out of some regular cardstock, some packages that I had. What I'm currently doing is backing my scrapbook paper with these because this particular paper is very flimsy. It doesn't have a lot of weight to it. I think it may be a 60 pound. So that it can, have some weight enough to be a tag. That's what I'm doing at the moment. While working on my tags for today, I wanted to incorporate some Tim Holtz Ephemera, but I didn't necessarily want the ephemera to become the focal point of the project. I really wanted to focus on using different techniques like layering, matting, framing, creating pockets, and working with the contrast to bring each tag to life while still keeping the collection cohesive. As you can see, I have intentionally stayed within the same hues and colors, only deviating in terms of the actual technique that was used to create the tag. Everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to tune in to Paper Peas. If you would subscribe, like, share, comment, come back and see me again, and if you'd be so kind as to let me know which tag technique you see that you like the most, I'd greatly appreciate it. Take care.